Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie for those who are joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing my face palette collection. As you guys know, I'm doing my makeup collection in parts because I don't have a lot of time that I'm working with due to YouTube's guidelines. Yeah, it's just a whole spiel, but if you guys want to hear more about it, let me know. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will do a Q&A. And if you guys have questions for the Q&A, comment them down below. And if you don't comment, that means you guys just don't give a crap and you guys don't care and just be like, girl, give me makeup videos. But I will be doing makeup videos. I just been playing around with my palettes and coming up with looks to show you guys, so just bear with me. I just been super busy, gym, life, it's just been piling up. But anyways, let's just jump into this video. Here is my face palette drawer. I did do a declutter in here, so it's not a lot, but it's enough for me. Starting right here, I have the Becca / Christy Teigen face palette. This palette's super, super pretty. It has a bronzer shade, 2 highlights, and a blush. Love this palette so much, especially the highlighters. Stunning. I also have the Tarte's Pro Glow and Blush palette. This one is also super pretty. It brings a highlight, a bronzer, and 4 blush shades in here. I also have the Jouer 6 shade blush palette. Love this, especially this orangey shade for the summertime on my tan skin. It's just super, super pretty. Like, love this palette so much. And it was expensive. I didn't buy it. Here we have the Cheek Leaders Bronze Palette by Benefit. This is another favorite of mine. Like, all these palettes I absolutely love. That's why they're in here. But this one brings 2 blushes, 2 bronzers, and that cookie shade, which is a highlighter if you've been living under a rock. But it is stunning. Like, oh my god, so pretty. They do sell it separately, so get your hands on that. I also have the Blush Bar by Benefit as well. This one is another pretty one. This one brings 4 blushes and the bronzer shade right here. Super pretty. Love this. And I have the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. This I found at TJ Maxx for a very nice price. But this is the gold version. I know they have the rose gold or something like that. But this one's really, really pretty. And the formula is really buttery. Becca, this is the Ocean Jewels highlighter palette. Another stunning palette. I beat the crap out of this one. This one has a beautiful dent in it. Why? Because I beat it up. But this one's really fun and pretty. Back here I have the Laura Geller. This is the Glow For It little palette. Love this, especially their Gilded Honey shade is not in here, but Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. But these are really, really nice as well. Like, her formula, stunning. Back here I have the Moonchild by Anastasia. I don't play with this one much. I kind of bought this on a whim because I just fell in love with it, but I don't use it. But, you know, for those days where I want to kind of be funky and get creative, why not? So I do keep it for those reasons. Okay, up front here, I have Sleek Makeup. This is Cleopatra's Kiss. This has 2 powdered highlighters and 2 creams. I don't use the creams, but the powdered highlighters are super pretty and beaming. Like, honey, she does not play. Sleek does not play. Right here, I have the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow palette. This one also is really pretty and beaming. Look at that. She is stunning, honey. All these palettes in here, I really do love so much. That's why they're in here. I also have the Hard Candy Cruising the Coast palette. This is really pretty too. It's not a super beaming highlight. It's more of a natural glow, just kind of an everyday kind of highlighter. But if you want something super light, this is really, really pretty and super affordable. Down here I have Profusion Blush and Glow number 2 palette. I did have number 1, but I decluttered that. So I did keep this one because I like the tones in here much better. I don't use this one much, only when I'm more tan, but everything else here is really, really pretty. And I do enjoy this formula. And then back here, these are my last 2 palettes. I have the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette. This one has to be my favorite out of the 2 that I have. The other one that I'm going to show you. But this one's really, really pretty. It brings 3 blush shades and 3 highlighter shades. Super creamy. Like, I don't know what they did with this, but the highlighter formula is literally butter. Literally. And all my palettes are over here falling over. And this is the other palette. This is the Glowing in Grease, also by BH. This one is really pretty. I think I like more the blush shades in here and more the highlighters in the Blushing in Bali. I should just switch them. That's a great idea. If I can depan these, oh my god. But I really like the blush shades, and the highlighters are really nice as well. The formula is butter as well. But like I said, I just enjoy the tones of the other one just a little bit more. But beautiful, creamy, it's all there, you know. It for my face palette drawer. It's not a huge face palette collection. I did do a slight declutter in this drawer, but you know, it's enough for my face. And I do freelance, and I do have separate makeup that I have in a kit, but this is just my personal collection. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I will be doing the rest of my drawers. If you guys didn't see my eyeshadow collection, that is already up on my channel. Go check that out and also give that video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.